quiet. What do you got?
Vietnamese food.
From Tien?
Yeah. Present.
Who's cooking today?
You.
Me.
What's that?
There's no wonton noodles?
No.
Oh, that's
that
funny.
was only meat.
Tien, what's up with that?
Yeah, what's up with that? Wonton soup with no
Wonton noodles.
wonton noodles. What the heck?
Well, hopefully it tastes good.
I don't know. We can mix it with rice.
So how is your no wonton soup?
I guess I didn't taste the wonton noodles.
But apart from that, it's soup.
It's a soup.
Normally when I order this, I don't get onions in here. But I got onions in here and I cannot eat onions, so I had to take them out. But apart from that, I'm sure it'll be good. Shrimp. Very good. You can turn it off now.